She's not just a sales and application engineer at KSB Cambodia. She's the one helping farmers level up, one pump at a time. Farming in Cambodia isn't easy. Too little rain, not enough water. But don't worry, she's bringing the pumps farmers can trust. First, AgriBlock. Perfect for irrigation. Works even when water is low. Next, Ultra Plus. Big power for big farms. Strong, steady, reliable. KSB pumps are easy to install, easy to maintain. They save power, save water, and keep crops healthy, even in the dry season. Want your farm to thrive? Talk to KSB Cambodia. Ask for Sotheanith. She's got your back.